Booster seats are not child restraints. Instead, they're adapters for the vehicle seat that lift your child up so the adult belts fit them correctly and securely in the event of a crash. There are two types of booster seats, backless ones and high back ones. Both types boost the child up and help guide the lap and shoulder belt to the correct position. Backless boosters often come with a shoulder belt positioning clip that you may need to use to achieve proper belt fit. Regardless of what type of booster you use, it needs to provide good belt fit. The lap belt should be low across the hips, not riding up on the belly, and the shoulder belt should sit at the center of the shoulder, not falling off the shoulder or riding up on the neck. And the knee should bend comfortably at the edge of the seat. This helps prevent slouching. The good news is, a majority of booster seats on the market today provide good fit in a range of vehicles.